Okay, nagre-ring na siya. Ay, hello. Yes, mahabang kaibigan. Anyway, this all you do is ipagsabat mo sa iyong girlfriend, sa iyong ex-girlfriend, sa iyong first girlfriend that you married in the same time. And of course, imported siya. Yes. You don't need to be worried. And I make a friends with her. Maintindihan ka niya sa sandaling panahon. Yes. Malay mo. And of course, wala tayong patumpik-tumpik pa. Sayaw mo na, Curly. Bago ka lang sa channel ko, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Well, mamaya na yan. Diyan ka lang mag-telephone at merong link. Yeah. Asan na yung ating iba? Tapos na natin mag-live streaming. Alam mo naman, kailangan natin mag-double work. Pang chit-chat. Kung hindi tayo magsisipag, anong mangyayari sa atin? Nga. Yes. Dito sa aking vlog, ikaw lagi ang video. Wala tayong patumpik-tumpik pa. Dear Queen Angel, isang magandang gabi, umaga pa sa inyo lahat of course. Sa araw ng Pasko, bukas is Christmas Eve na. So, ano mo ang plano mo? Ang plano ko, wala na. I work. Alam mo naman, we are in overseas and of course, to work. Dear Queen Angel, I was here in Korea. Medyo mahirap ang buhay. And of course, it was really cold. Yes, I wanted to work one time, and of course, I went to Camp Humphreys, and of course, outside the Humphreys, a lot of bars, and I went there. I sat down and I drink. I drink a couple shot, and one of he bought me shot. One Cornelio, isa akong adan, and of course, naging friends kami ni Afam. Later on, oh my God, nung nalasing ako, paggising ko, Angel ang katabi ko. Araw ng Christmas, oh my God. Sa araw ng Christmas, masaya ang Christmas ko. Oh my God. I think, I fall in love with the Coco. Almost a 1 year na, ang kakaraan is, and right now is, magpapasko na naman. Guess what? Yes, patapos na rin ang aking contract right in here bilang isang EPS, but soon, after January, I'm gonna fly in America. Yes, finally na-approve na ang aking proxy marriage. Queen Angel. Yes, ang lalaking walang dangal. Yes, ang lalaking pinagpala, bukod kang pinagpala sa lalaking lahat, pupus ka, pagkakalooban ka. Oh my God, you love to play the pen, desire pen. Anong gagawin ko, Queen Angel? And of course, I have a girlfriend in the Philippines. Hindi pa niya alam ang aking sikreto. What can I do? Ayaw kong dayain siya. And of course, later, baka isumpa ako at gawin akong plaka. Grabe ka naman yan. Well, bago ko sagutin yan, okay? Kaibigan, kuya, ate, kumare, kumpare. Sayaw mo na, Queen Angel. Magkape muna ako. I have a coffee in here at ang ating dear cellphone. Pasayaw natin siguro Angel. Well, eto na. Handa mo ang iyong numero. Ano bang numero mo? Eto. Okay. Banil natin. Diyan muna yan. 0-10-8899. Sumobra na. Okay, nagre-ring na siya. Oy, hello. Yes, mahabang kaibigan. Anyway, this all you do is ipagsabat mo sa iyong girlfriend, sa iyong ex-girlfriend, sa iyong first girlfriend that you married in the same ajaran. And of course, akong pa imported siya. Yes, you don't need to be worried. And I make a friends with her. Maintindihan ka niya sa sandaling panahon. Yes. Malay mo. And of course, later on, who knows, God knows sino ang magiging soulmate mo. Hangad ko, ayun si kumpay, and of course, congratulations, at lilipad ka na ng Amerika. Huwag kang gano'ng may stress, te. Alam mo naman ang bakit. Ay, sadyang ganyan. Parang walang himala. Tayo ang gumagawa ng himala. At maligayang Pasko sa'yo. Hangad ko, ayun to kumpay, mahal kong kaibigan, and of course, just all you keep it up for, and fulfill your dream come true. It's not easy to stay away in our country, and of course, bilang isang OFW, and of course you work a factory, you work at EPS, it's not easy day and night when you work, and you for of course how much you take care of your family. Right now, you take care of yourself. Good luck for your career. At magandang gabi sa'yo. Maligayang Pasko, mahal kong kaibigan. Well. Sa ating buhay, sadyang ganyan. Ang tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Minsan ka nakaluhod, nakahilata, nakadapa. And of course, para kang tumatawid, nagsiswimming in the deep blue sea. Ito pa, sayo mo na, Korean Angel. Maraming salamat, Korean Angel, and of course, ano baliktad ba? Maraming salamat, Korean Angel. I was in here in Europe. At the part of Austria. Well, isa akong babae and I got 5 kids back home in the Philippines. At nakapag-asawa ko ng isang Austrian. Yes, my loving husband he's really good. But hindi kami nagkaanak. Yes, I don't know, it might be meron siyang problema or what something ang mga bad situation. Later on, nag-worry ako because all my kids, we send them in school, first in college, and of course, my mom. Yes, ano nangyari sa akin? Bakit yung what you call it is natin ng konti. Yan. Kasi umiikot kasi siya. Umiikot yan. Okay, parang maganda naman siya ng konti. Yes, correct. Why in here? Ang pangalawang anak ko, it was in high school. And of course, the way she take care of my kids like a real father. Yes. Ang asawa ko kasi feel ko yumawa na because he ran away for the responsibility among upon the situation. Yes. Meron akong sikreto. Makita on phone niya at meron pala siyang ka-textmate. I'm really worried because I cannot give him a kids, and of course alam mo naman baka naghahanap siya ng ibang later para magkaroon siya ng baby. What can I do? Everything he gave it to me, money, financially, house, and of course material na bagay. Isa nga lang di ko mabigay sa kanya ang anak. Korean Angel, I was really worried. Hindi naman nagbabago for all treatment. He gave me special treatment, lalo na sa aking mga anak. Yes, sa araw ng Pasko, nung makilala ko siya, ayaw ko naman sa araw ng Pasko, magtatapos kami dalawa. Korean Angel, just please help me. Baka ikaw lang ang solusyon. Eh, ano ba? Ginawa mo naman akong solusyon. 1 + 1 = 2. Ganun lang. Alright, I'm gonna call you. Memorize ko ang numero. From, ano bang code number ng Austria? Okay. Yes! You know what? Don't worry about the many things. Sometimes when you talk, the honesty is too much. And, katsapang niya yan, malay mo, these are her classmates. These her friends or co-workers. At hindi naman siya nagbabago in everything among upang situation, financially, and of course materialistic ba? Material ba? Alam mo ba yun? Yes. Nagsisipag nga siya. At meron kang pampapap. Alright. At huwag kang mag-worry, pinakasalang kanya. Who knows, maybe this Christmas is hilingin mo na magkaanak kayong dalawa from God. Walang imposible. Basta magtiwala ka. Magtiwala. Or pwede mo ipagkatiwala sa akin. Yes. Pwede mo akong gawing katsulang. Pwede mo akong gawing driver. Yes. Babandayan mo siya kung meron siyang iba. No worry, mahal kong kaibigan. I don't feel anything na masisira sa inyong relation. One day, magiging masaya ka at magkakaroon ko ang anak sa kanya. Just pray and keep it up and always keep in faith. Maraming salamat and of course, araw na Pasko, yun ang magandang biyaya sa iyo. Pagmamahal at tunay na pagmamahal na yung loving husband from Lurky. Well. Open po ang ating linya, 24 oras. Yes, pwede po kayong sumulat. Yes. Tatawagan ko kayo. Yes, during live natin. Habang ginagawa ko ang live, ang ating love hotline. Mga pusong nasugatan, mga pusong iniwan, mga planong mang iwan. Isang ka pa. Yes, sa Pasko, ikaw ang pinakamasaya. Subscribe mo lang ako and of course, i-follow mo ako para lagi kang update sa ating mga bagong video. This all we do is araw ng Pasko, ipagdiwang natin ang pagmamahal. And we celebrate the love to everybody. If not to everybody, hindi naman sa kanya. To your family, show the love to friends. There's only like friends. At sa inyong lahat. The more we give, the more you bless. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, ang ating love hotlines. Sayaw ko na kung angel. Yes, pinasayaw ko na siya. Para hindi na ako sasayaw dito. Pero sayaw pa rin ako kasi. Pwede na tayong sumayaw na isang bachata to the left, to the right, forward, backward, at isang careless whisper. Kaya pa pala natin, di ba? Kaya pa natin, di ba? Isang bachata, cha-cha, pwede kang mag-aruba. Isang bachata to the left, to the right, forward, and backward. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. At Merry Christmas and Happy
You can get some.